Hi, my name is Patrick, and welcome to this month's Tips and Tricks video. In this video, I'm going to go over how to use the revenue report and the tax report in ClinicSense. We know tax season is right around the corner, and these reports will make things easier for you and your practice by helping you keep track of your earnings and your taxes. So let's get started. We're going to start with the revenue report. To get to the revenue report, click the Reports menu. Click the Revenue Report from the left side. From here, you can select your preferred date range by clicking the calendar button. And the system already provides predetermined filters, for example, for today, for yesterday, for the last 7 days, the last 30 days, as well as some yearly filters. And if you would like, you can use the custom date range filter. Additionally, you can select the practitioner you would like to generate the revenue report for. In this example, we're going to use the year date range for 2024. And click Generate Report. The revenue report provides a breakdown of your clinic's income, helping you track both your recognized and your deferred revenue. The top half of your report displays recognized revenue, showing services and fees that were earned within the selected time frame. Each entry includes the service's name, the quantity sold, the subtotal, any discount applied, and total revenue. The bottom part of the revenue report displays all deferred revenue, which are for services that has been paid for but not yet rendered. This section tracks items such as account credits, treatment packages, or gift certificates. From here, you see the total quantity issued, the total amount of the deferred revenue, any discounts applied, the amount used, and the remaining deferred revenue. If the deferred revenue section here is missing, it means you have no deferred revenue for the selected filters. Once your report has been generated, you can export this information by downloading it as a CSV file or downloading it as a PDF file. So this is the revenue report. We're going to move on to the sales tax report. To get there, click Sales Tax from the left side. Similarly, we can set the date range filter as well as the practitioner filter. In this example, we're going to use the 2024 yearly filter and click Generate Report. The tax report will list all the tax type, the tax percentage, and the total amount billed. And this total row sums up all the taxes collected within your time frame. Please note, since sales tax is not technically revenue, it will not show up within the revenue report. And if you would like to export your sales tax data, you can click the download as a CSV file or download this as a PDF file. A few things to note about the sales tax report. ClinicSense calculates sales tax on a per invoice basis, rounding each transaction to the nearest cent. This can be helpful for practices that add a 13% HST tax for their services. And since real-world transactions cannot charge fractions of a cent, the system rounds the tax on each invoice. And this is expected behavior and does not indicate an error in the calculations. And that's how you use the revenue report and the tax report in ClinicSense. I do hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@clinicsense.com.